Or, nah, he ain't even T-Nex. Fuck.
That one's really funny.
That one's really good. Nah, he ain't even T-Nex. Fuck him.
He's like,
Oh yeah, I was curious yesterday, or maybe the day before, of why Chief Keef calls himself Sosa.
I don't think anyone knows that.
No, it's because he watched Scarface, and like one of the people in Scarface, his second name's Sosa, and he just liked the character, so he just stole the second name of the character.
It's kind of gas, actually.
That's actually quite good. That's a very good idea.
It's not as good as Lobo 3v4. I'm still never gonna get over the fact that I came up with my name by just saying, like, by just putting random shit.
That's your last name.
Lobo 3v4 is never meant to be my, like, actual name. It's just meant to be a random account I put my videos on. And you told me to make it everything, and I just did it.
It's hilarious.
I cannot tell if that's sarcastic or not. I'm gonna be completely
No,
honest.
sorry, I'm just far.
It's all good.
What flock? I beat digital.
Let's go!
I didn't get decent! I didn't get decent! What? Okay, well, I don't really care. Oh my god, nice.
What'd you even need to do for decent?
I just did 2 random things.
You probably missed a ship in Moscow.
Yeah, I probably did. I don't care though.
You should buy it.
I'm gonna comment. Fuck!
You just said that when you beat it.
I should have, yeah.